Hey guys, welcome back. I always forget where to look where I'm doing these desktop videos. This has been about a year since I've been running nothing but straight Linux to do this YouTube channel and my 3D printing and all those good things that happen that we do around here. And it has been great. I can't complain. I edit every video in Kdenlive. If we go up here, we can see that's what it's called right here. We'll start that up. And see, there's our timeline, you know. Let me bring it down where you can see it a little better. There we go. Every video in the last year has been edited here, I believe. I don't think I've done anything over on the old Mac and iMovie. No, I don't think so. You know, we use GIMP to edit photos. I don't really do a lot of photo editing anymore. And that is, I'll confess, maybe that's something I might use my Mac for. Just in, you know, in the future. Going forward, just because I'm creating a couple what I would call digital products, and I use Lightroom. I'm just so much faster in Lightroom to do that. But it is it's an old version. It's not the cloud version, so cut me a little slack on that. But that one, it's going great. Linux is going great. You know, what else do we use on here? OpenSCAD. We fixed our motorcycle clutch with 3D printing. If you haven't seen that video, I'll see if I can stick it up here somewhere. That's what I love the most is the 3D printing and the practical 3D printing, where we can actually solve real life problems with 3D printing. All we did was basically design and print a little bushing for the clutch lever, and we were back on the road. And it's been running like that for months. Now we'll probably improve on that, you know, maybe print that in some ASA down in the future. Right now it's just PLA plus, but I'm not having any issues with it yet, so we're just keep an eye on that. Anyway, guys, Linux has been running great. Recording this with OBS right now. I use OBS a lot. I want to try to. I've got some new things coming with this. I've got some desktop cameras to where we can do more shots down here on the desk. Right now I have this arm that swings out with a camera on it. It's a little jank. That's what it comes down to. So we're going to try to improve upon that. It's just been a lot of fun. The YouTube channel's been growing pretty good steadily. We did launch a couple digital products down in the description. One I've had around forever. I just never really did anything with it. So I just put it out there. You know, check it out if you want. It's on Gumroad. I'm going to sell little files that we make, STLs, SVGs, all that stuff that we do here on this channel. We'll end up putting those down there, sell them super cheap, see if we get any bites on them. But it's fun. This stuff is still fun, and that's what matters. Linux has kind of helped me to fall back in love with technology again, I think, and that's been really needed lately. You know, getting old and been through a lot. Anyway, more products are being created right here on this Linux system. We'll talk about those as they come out. But yeah, still doing a lot of shorts. Highly recommend you get Linux Mint. It's been a lot of fun. Now we also run Linux Mint. Let me see if I can pull it up here on our laptop, our old laptop. That one. I'll do an updated video about that one also. That laptop hardware is a little flaky on this HP system. Linux Mint runs fine, boots fine. The problem is I have audio that goes in and out on it. I don't know. I think it's the actual hardware, not Linux Mint itself. So I bought this little external sound card that goes into the USB port, and that's how I solved my problem. And Linux runs that fine. So that's why I think it's hardware. Anyway, whole nother video on that. Just wanted to give you a 1-year update. Linux Mint as my whole system, and it's going great. We'll see you next time, guys.